Buongiorno a tutti, welcome to Venice. Ciao Nina, buongiorno, buongiorno. Ciao a tutti. And so let me try to the camera. Buongiorno, ciao a tutti. Benvenuti al Carnevale di Venezia. Welcome, welcome to all of you. Welcome to the Venice Carnival. And so today is going to be a pretty spectacular day. Let's have a look at what is going to happen, what we're going to see at this. And I'm definitely feeling better, thank you. That at the beginning of February, I ended up having COVID. I've been positive for something like 15 days. After that, I tested negative 2 days ago, actually. And so I'm definitely doing fine, and definitely everything it's okay. And so, buongiorno to all of you, and welcome to the channel I Love You Venice. And today we're going to be live directly from the Venice Carnival. I'm really thrilled to take you into Piazza San Marco to explore it and to see how the masks look like today. We're starting pretty much right from the Grand Canal, and you will be accompanying me right into Piazza San Marco to see how the situation it will be. Let me turn the camera on the other side. That is way much better and way much nicer. And as you can see, we are standing right by the Grand Canal. Hola, hola! And so I would like definitely to say thank you to all of you for following our channel I Love You Venice. My name is Igor, and today we are definitely the only channel that is showing you live what is happening in this amazing and beautiful city. On the other hand, actually, I would like to say thank you, especially for those of you that is almost a year that you are following us, that you bought our special subscription, and you are definitely enjoying our tours. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the support, and thank you for supporting us in our channel. That is vital. It's extremely important. It's definitely thanks to all of the subscribers and our followers that pretty much every week, actually, because it became a kind of every week or every 2 weeks a fixed appointment, actually, that we are always meeting up to show you the beauties of Venice. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Ciao a tutti, ciao a tutti. And so here we go, that we are definitely pretty much ready to start our walk. We are just a block away from the area of Piazza San Marco, and our walk actually is going to take exactly right in the heart of the city. And ciao a tutti. Here we go, that we are definitely meeting up friends, and slowly we're going to go in and out all these lovely little streets. And just to give you an idea, where are we exactly right now? In a second, anyway, we're going to go that way. We are basically standing just around the corner from Ciao Marek! We are standing just exactly on the side of the Harry's bar, and in a second we're going to pop into the area to see exactly how everything look like. In the meanwhile, we can definitely enjoy a little bit of the gondolas. Yeah, let's say that it's a kind of interesting carnival, because I was walking from the train station all the way to the Accademia Bridge. It was quite quiet, actually. I didn't hit Piazza San Marco yet, so we're going to do it together. Think about that pretty much every night, right in the middle of the Grand Canal, or better, along the Grand Canal, and especially in the Arsenal. This year, actually, they're doing special light shows, and those are really nice, actually. Here we go, Nina. We're going to cover up everything, but as you can see, the view is pretty spectacular. It's a kind of a funny mist here and there, actually, because it's definitely warm today. We've got something like 10, 12 degrees. We're right opposite of Punta della Dogana. that used to be the old custom house. We are right opposite of the Church of the Salute that we visited on the 21st of November during the feast of the Madonna del Salute, the Virgin Mary of the Health, actually. And right now we're going to go slowly right into the heart of the happening area. And so if you're wondering which kind of nationalities that I met until now, misteriosa e serenissima, sì Nina, hai pienamente ragione. Yeah, the nationalities that I met until this point actually, and so of course a lot of Italians that they are coming this way for their trips and so on. French, Spanish, some Germans, and quite a lot of Americans actually, which is really interesting. That is a while that I don't see, that I don't hear English, and so right now slowly we're going to go down into Piazza San Marco. Of course, every time that the carnival is happening, the happening spot actually is of course Piazza San Marco itself, and that one is quite unbelievable because it's always super crazy busy. This year actually we didn't have a really official inauguration of the carnival, that normally that you got the wing or the fly of the dove actually, and normally during that time of the inauguration we're normally having 80,000, 100,000 people in Piazza San Marco. Let's have a look. Even the stage of this year actually, it's a kind of tiny one, and that if I'm not wrong it should look like a lion. We're going to see together later on how the main stage look like, but definitely the most amazing thing is beautiful parades that they are normally taking place along the Grand Canal. Here we go. We're slowly getting right into the happening area, and slowly we're going to start to see everybody. And so definitely thank you absolutely for all the subscribers that they are definitely supporting us from the past year, that we got Nina, Carol, Anna, Deborah, Jem, we got Senautus, we got Marek and Angel, and ciao to all of you. Welcome. Yeah, ciao a tutti. Yeah, as you can see actually the situation, you dress up in the occasion. That is good. it's pretty good actually. And before that we get, let me see which one, let's try to go this way actually. The other street is totally blocked. And right now we're going to pop in directly into Piazza San Marco. As you can see, it's a kind of different carnival. In the other time of the year, the entire street would be full of masks. So I'm pretty curious to see what is gonna happen in Piazza San Marco. Let's say the past weekend it was a kind of busy one, and we were having quite a lot of people that they were standing right in the area. Right now, slowly, let's have a look. So we're slowly arriving into the square from the bottom part. And so let's have a look where the stage is, if we got any kind of catwalks going on with special masks. Ooh, we're starting. Thank you for supporting. Oh, we're slowly starting to see some confettis on the floor, of course, and that's pretty much how the situation is. Here we go. So let me see if I can get a good location. That over there are a little bit too many people. Let's have a look. If I stand on the side this way, we can see some of the masks. Here we go. That normally, oh, we got some pirates that they are right there on the way. Let me try to get a little bit closer. So I try to sneak around a little bit. So we will be chasing the different kind of mask of the day. Here we go. Yeah, thank you to all of you for supporting. Grazie mille, grazie mille. Let me see if I can get on the side to get a better view. Give me a second. So in this way we see exactly how to settle up everything. Here we go. This is pretty much the stage of the year that is definitely representing a lion, of course dedicated to the winged lion. And this one actually is the opening area where they do part of the catwalks. There we go. And so normally around this area in a normal year we got the big massive stage where they got the jugglers, they do the catwalks, and normally the first Sunday of the carnival they do what? They mainly do the wing of, the fly of the dove actually, that she is or is normally flying from the top of the bell tower all the way down here. Let me see. Oh, we've got few masks that they are right over there. Let me try to get a little bit closer so we can easily sneak around. Here we go. Let me try to go around. Angel non è freddissimo, è un po' triste sicuramente perché c'è un po' di nebbia, però non fa freddo, ci sono 10-15 gradi in giro, quindi si sta discretamente bene. Yeah, the idea is that the day is not too bad actually. We got 10-15 degrees, it's not crazy cold, and we cannot complain at all actually. It's definitely a lovely day. It's pretty warm compared to the day that we done the tour with the boat in the Canareggio district. Now it's way much warmer actually. Oh, let's have a look at that so we can see if we got some other masks in the area. So this is pretty much the game of the day, chasing the mask and chasing the costumes. Here we go. We got even the dog that is doing the catwalk with, he's quite happy. Give me a treat, give me a treat, give me a treat, give me a treat. Let me try to go around, give me a second, so we can get a better perspective. Here we go. A true Venetian mask is very scary, very impressive. Yeah, let's say that once that you are going to get with the masks of the carnival, like the Domino, or you got the one of the the Doctor of the Black Death, it can be really scary sometimes actually. Ciao Katy, ciao, grazie mille. The dresses, you can clearly see that they are just magnificent. And so in our normal year, normally the majority of the people that they are all dressed up, talk about the nationalities, they are French, Germans and Americans, but number one, they're normally always French actually, that they spend almost the entire year of producing, going to second-hand shops, collecting fabrics, collecting different kind of pieces to build up the costumes. I got actually two friends of mine that they are Germans actually, that every year that the carnival, but that one is a little example. I got many friends that they are totally addicted to carnival, and these two friends of mine, the Germans one actually, every time that they are coming into Venice, they are bringing with them something like 7 or 8 different costumes, and they do different kinds of parades all over the entire city actually, and that is really impressive. And so the husband of this friend of mine, he looked like Henry VIII, and he was dressed up like Henry VIII for many years. He's really impressive. Oh, what a lovely family. Look at that, they got all these beautiful dresses. And Definitely the French, they are really, here we go, grazie. The French actually, they are always professional in doing all these amazing costumes. As you can see, that this is definitely the beauty of the carnival. Here we go, that we get a 360 degrees view. This is at the end of the day the place where everybody wants to be. And think about that, especially during the early hours, all the costumes, they are coming here into Venice, in St. Mark's Square. You got all the professional, oh, I got Arlequin, or two ladies Arlequin, that they are right over there. Let's jump there. And you got something like 150 masks that they are normally showing up in Piazza San Marco from 6 o'clock in the morning pretty much until 9 o'clock in the morning, because the lights at that time, they are just perfect. And then every day actually they do different kind of itineraries, and they are going to go into different areas of the city to do different kind of photo shootings. But if you're coming into Venice, actually, if you're going to do a kind of photo shooting, remember always to bring some business card with you, and give the business card to the people with the costumes, actually, that if you're going to post into your medias, they're going to be extremely happy. If you tag them, they're going to be extremely happy. Normally, the majority of the masks, they always got their own business card, and so you can always tag them into Instagram rather than in Facebook or whatever else, actually. And that one is quite incredible. Give me a second, let me try to go around. See, oh, there's something amazing. Let's see. Oh, I see some feathers somewhere there. You can see that they're sticking out. Yeah, definitely it's the Vanity Fair at its best. That's pretty much for sure. As you can see, it's getting pretty crazy busy. I try to get close by. That is always a kind of difficult. That everybody is always pretty excited and happy. Hold on, let me sneak around. Let me see if I can get any closer. Here we go. Zoom in. Let me see if I can zoom in. Here we go. Let me try if I can go around. Give me a second. Give me a second. That is difficult to chase everybody. Let's have a look. Let's try to stand here if he's going to move around. The costume is spectacular. I believe that is the same guy that every year is using these amazing feathers, actually. Let's have a look. Now the costume is really spectacular, as you can see. Here we go, that is moving his way. Here we go, that is pretty much moving where the column is. Let me see if I can get it, that is arriving. Whoop. Let's move this way, that now everybody's freaking out. And so let's have a look down to the area of the Floriana, how the situation is. Here we go. The lovely costumes. They are pretty amazing, as you can tell. Oh, here we go. Slowly, slowly. It's difficult to keep up with everybody. Let's have a look. Now we go a little bit around and we try to see if there's somebody else around. Let's have a look. So, a bunch down here. Yeah, and we got a big bunch over there. So slowly, slowly, we try to hit literally everybody. It's just a matter of time, of course. But definitely, we were mentioning that arriving here in the early hours, we got all the professional masks that they are coming early hours because, of course, there's literally nobody around. And that makes sense actually to do the photo shooting. And so plus 6 in the morning until 9 o'clock is pretty much the best time of the day for the lights actually. Oh, let me see. Ooh, look at this. This is quite a mask. Here we go. Little zoom. Igor is alive. For the moment, yeah, it's alive. Ciao. Today directly from Piazza San Marco, directly from St. Mark's Square with these amazing masks. Actually, as you can see, the carnival atmosphere is right in. There we go. It's quite nice. Let's have a look. Good to see people out again. See, Svalbard manga. I definitely agree with you. It's a pleasure to see a little bit of people roaming around and enjoying themselves. Everybody was looking forward to these kind of things. And so, let me see. We got a big group, but it will be almost impossible to get right there. Probably we got a better chance to go to see them. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Oh, some classical one. Let me zoom in. Here we go. See, I definitely agree, manga. They are sucking up all the bandwidth. I know. And so I can see that definitely the entire band, telephone band, it dropped completely in a pretty bad way. Anyway, I hope that you can still see everything in a good way. But of course, having all these people, it's definitely normal that we're having less signal in town actually. Oh, here we go. When Nina, it costs a little bit more than a small fortune. They can worth 1, 2, 3, 4,000. Actually, I got a friend of mine that is totally addicted with the carnival masks and carnival costumes. That every 2 or 3 years he's spending 4,000 or 5,000 euros actually for the costumes. And I definitely agree with you that they cost actually a big fortune. On the other hand, actually, to make it a little bit less expensive, probably renting is better. But even renting, they can go from 300 euros a night. You can go really sky high. So much better than Times Square. I don't know actually. Probably a bit different compared to New Orleans actually. For sure. The Mardi Gras in New Orleans is for sure different. I don't know if it is better or worse, but for sure different. Let me see if I can sneak around. Oop. Let me see, I don't know how far that I can go, that they are all dancing. Let me see what I can do. Give me a second. Here we go, that we can see. They're doing these amazing costumes that they are dancing right in the tap. Reading the chat box, but it's a kind of difficult. I'm more for German Shepherd dog. So let's have a look that we try to go a little bit down this way, that we see the atmosphere around the famous cafeterias, if there's desks. Not really. So let's try to go this way. Anyway, we will be roaming around for a bit to see and enjoy. Oh, here we go. Yellow is nice. Let me zoom. Yeah. It is pretty. Yeah, the view. Oh, here, hold on. Let me try to adjust the zoom. Yeah, actually, if you're coming into Venice during Carnival time, if you're going to go with a costume, actually you won't be able to go too far, that every 2 seconds you will be stopping pictures, but that's what the whole festival is all about. Actually, there will be, as far as I saw, actually we don't have many big parties except the Ballo del Doge going on. There will be a big party taking place in the area of Murano, inside of an old church actually, and that is going to be a kind of interesting. And let's try to see the atmosphere down here, how it will be. Let me see. The fabrics, and think about that, a lot of the fabrics sometimes they are produced inside of Bevilacqua, and Bevilacqua is one of the most incredible fabrics factory that we got down to Fortuny, or otherwise got many others, but those are really amazing. The texture, everything. I was thinking actually to buy a mask and wear it, but gimbal plus telephone plus the earpods plus the mask plus the mask that when it's too crowded I need to wear it, it can be really complicated, and so at the end I just gave up. Here we go, look. Here we go, that we can definitely see the entire. Would there be live music? And so, normal time of our life, yes. And normally you got the music. Look at the little girl that he looked like a bee. She's so cute. But I believe that this year actually we are not gonna have any kind of music going on. And so they just want to avoid the people that they beat up in the square, and that's the reason why that they do all surprise parties pretty much everywhere. And so even the inauguration of the carnival, it has been a kind of surprise. Ciao Paloma, it has been a kind of surprise. Nobody would have expected that the carnival party was taking place actually, and it just happened to be And normally the big carnival party is normally along the canal that is right where the Jewish ghetto is. This year actually wasn't taking place because in this way they avoid to have big parties and big people. And the majority of the people actually, they were meeting up exactly in the Arsenal, and that one has been the main area. Oh, here we go. This is quite interesting. Lovely dog masks with interesting costumes. An orchestra is needed for sure. I definitely agree with you actually. So it's a dog mask. See, both of them, a French bulldog, hussar costume. See, Tony, I definitely agree actually. But we got the kilt over there, and so it's a kind of hussar, Scottish, or anything similar actually. But really, oh, here we go. Look at this one. How beautiful. Hold on. A Boston Terrier. Okay, thank you for helping. I thought that one it was like a Frenchie. Let's have a look if along the embankment we got anything going on. Oh, here we go. Yeah, the atmosphere is quite interesting actually today, and so we are definitely really lucky that we are meeting up so many masks. I would have never thought that we would have had so many people and so many costumes, which is great actually. Yeah, let's say during the week is extremely quiet, and now it's definitely picking up, which is good. And so let's have a look. So slowly. Let's say you're right, Nina, that the sign on the side it was definitely Templar Jerusalem, but the dress it looked like Franz Josef or anything like that actually. Thank you, Nat. Thank you for all of you for supporting. Grazie mille, grazie mille. Oh, here we go. So normally early hours, all the costumes, all the people that they are dressed up, they are always down this area actually. That the background is of course sensational. Oh sì, San Giorgio Maggiore, eccolo là che ci aspetta. Let's have a look if we can hit some of the masks. Let's have a look. We need a little bit of passion, and of course it's super crowded. And here we go. Yeah, the background is spectacular as you can see. Let's try to zoom a bit. Oh, here we go. This is quite good. Yeah, the view is definitely fantastic. We got even the pirate that they are arriving. The pirate of the Venetian Lagoon. Here we go. I try to stand still as much as I can. It's definitely really foggy. He has been 2 really bad days. It was snowing up in the Alps. He has been a really sunny and hot day yesterday. Now actually the situation is completely different. Thank you again to all of you for supporting the channel, and thank you to a lot of you of being with us and supporting us. Here we go. We are 793 all connected to YouTube. Thank you to being with us today actually, and we're really proud and happy that we can show you the beauties of the Venetian Carnival actually. Let's try to sneak slowly so we can get another little idea of these masks. Here we go. It's quite magic as you can see. So once in a lifetime, definitely coming into Venice for the Carnevale, for the Carnival, it really worth. Let's say that during the week is even more spectacular because you got less people and you got only masks. And as I was saying before, actually, if you come into Venice in the early hours, this is going to be the main area where everybody will be standing to take the photo shooting and so on. And think about that every day for sunset they are going to be all in San Giorgio Maggiore, so right opposite. And they got a fixed schedule every day pretty much. Let's have a look at this group, what they are doing. Here we go. Let's have a look, slowly, slowly. Hit that like button, people. Thank you, Sonotus. Look. Thank you. Ciao Adriano, thank you. Grazie mille. See, it's really interesting. I definitely agree with you, Nina, that how life is definitely changing and how the experiences are changing here after here. You can see that now that everybody has got cell phones, everybody is into pics, and everybody take the phone out and they are taking amazing pictures. Oh, here we go. See, it's definitely a nice ship on the background. We got something like 3 ships like that one, that they are like the ship of the Caribbean. I mean, the ship of the Pirate of the Caribbean. They are normally starting from the area of Jesolo, which is the seaside resort in around Venice actually, and normally they sail into the Giudecca Canal actually. Here we go. Let me try. Thank you, grazie Tony. Chi non vede non ti apprezza. I agree. But that's the thing with Venice, it's always difficult actually. Or you really like it or you really hate it. Here we go, that we got even Vincent van Gogh that is with us today. Here we go. That Vincent is gonna have problems with holding the mask without a ear. It's always tricky. Here we go. Here we go. We're starting to have some steampunk that they became so popular on the last few years actually. That we got these lovely costumes. Let's say there's even a parade dedicated to and Van Gogh with the ear is bandaged. See, you're right. Let's say that yeah, the steampunk they got even a parade on the last few years, and so the thing is getting really, really big. Look, let's have a look at that. The blue of this mask. It's quite real. Give me a second, let me zoom it. Oh, grazie Barbara, thank you. Thank you to all of you for supporting us, and thank you to be with us in the Venice Carnival. Let's see Brian. Oh, give me a second. So Miss being there was there in 2019 to photograph, styling several costume shoots. See Brian, that is normally what I'm normally doing actually, that I'm normally working for Jovanos and with Darrell Gould, American Canon Explorer actually, and I'm normally taking groups around the carnival area to do photo shooting. Actually, I definitely miss that kind of atmosphere and that kind of photo shooting, unfortunately. Oh, look how pretty. This is quite nice. Yeah, even the background is not bad. Hold on, let me zoom back. So we got a little bit of space. Here we go. See, definitely today today I do for you, which is exactly the same thing. But definitely walking around The carnival area for me is always amazing and beautiful. I'm always amazed on the stuff. Oh, here we go. You should see, you should know this been with us a bunch of times actually. Look how nice the mask is. Tutto a posto, Vania?
Con la mia a posto.
Ciao Vania!
Carnival in Venice.
Ciao!
Ciao,
Ciao
ciao.
ciao! Ci vediamo dopo, ciao ciao. Ah, Deborah, you know her. See, and so she was with me actually doing the food tour actually, and she done the Japanese tour for I Love You Venice, and we are friends actually. I knew that. Oh, look at here. Hold on. This was definitely unexpected, so we didn't know that she would have come. Do people get tired of taking the photos with people? Deborah, I don't really think so actually. As far as I remember, actually, it's always like this. So nobody is ever tired of taking pictures. Let me try to squeeze everything in. Oh, this is quite great that we got everything. But I can even the people with the masks, they are never tired actually. They're always here from early hours until late night, and they are always having a blast. Oh, let's have a look here. Oh, lovely. It look like pretty good. Let's see. That's why that they are doing it. I definitely agree. Everybody actually wants to be there to enjoy it. Let's say they are all dressed up in really warm clothes actually, and so they shouldn't be having any kind of problems. That underneath actually they got the thermic stuff, they got the ski equipment basically, and let's say today is pretty good because it's not hot. I mean, it's not cold. 888 people. Hey, you're right. This is quite a record, I believe, actually. But as far as I remember, not even with the gondola, we never had so many guests actually enjoying the tour. Let me see. And so I'm just thinking about crossing the bridge, but it's just too crazy busy and probably we're not able to see anything. But there's a really interesting costume that is arriving, and so we wait from here. Oh, here we go. The lady with the big wax and the feathers. Here we go. We got even the Mexicans. So let's have a look down this way if the costume change a little bit. No, manga, that's the thing actually, that I need to walk carefully because we got just too many people and I cannot look through the screen, otherwise I'm gonna fell off for sure actually. Let's have a look. Let's move this way. Oh, we got some Brian, I know what you're talking about, but I didn't see it now actually at the moment. Oh, we got some. Oh, those are nice. Let's have a look. Even with the background of the Church of the Salute is not bad. Let's see if we can fit everything in. Here we go. Yeah, this is quite amazing, look. Opa. Now we're really lucky that it feels so nice and warm to see this happy crowd. Yeah, I definitely agree with you actually. Everybody was really looking forward to a little bit of normality, let's say. Let me see if I can zoom back. There we go. I try not to go swimming too. See, Manga, I agree with you. I'm pretty close to the water, and I'm pretty worried that I'm going to go for a swim during winter time, which is not nice, actually. Oh, let's see. Let me try to go slowly around. That we're going to see if we can see some more masks. Hold on. Yeah, the situation is getting pretty exciting actually. Here we go, some more. Those are the two guys that we saw it before, that look like honeybees. Do tourists often fall into the water? Deborah, sometimes actually. Let's say you don't pay attention, but let's say normally the problem is when we got the high tide. If you are a local, you know exactly where the canal is starting and ending, where the pedestrian area is starting and ending. But if you're a tourist, of course, you might have some problems actually to identify all these things. Let me see. And swimming there is illegal, I believe that you meant. And so swimming is definitely illegal. We're not allowed to swim. Hold on. Masks. Those are pretty. So we're not allowed definitely to swim, especially because normally we got too much traffic. We do have problems with the propeller boats actually, and that might be a problem sometimes. But nowadays nobody is allowed to swim in the canals. In the past actually we would have had even a swimming pool in the area of the Zattere. 936, this is quite a record. Let me see, Nina. Have never heard of any festive food. Is there anything special? Let's say, beside of the frittelle, that are this lovely fried cake that they stuff it with zabaione, which is like eggnog and custard or chocolate or Nutella. With ciao Beth. Other than that, actually, we don't have a special food festival. Some of you knows that my friend Said, actually, the friend gondolier that we done the tour along the Grand Canal last year. Actually, we done the tour with the boat a few weeks ago, actually, and the gondola of Said. Few years ago actually he has been displayed right in St. Mark's Square actually, because he has been one of the most beautiful one that has been created. Oh, here we go. Let me try to go around. Okay, Manga, I buy you one. I keep it as long as you are coming this way, no problem. So we're going to have a Fat Thursday and a Fat Tuesday actually. Marek, I don't know at the moment. I need to ask Fabio, but Fabio is not on the way at the moment. But as far as I know, probably we got a 60-65% of occupancy, especially during the weekends. I got a friend of mine actually that he works in a hotel just behind Piazza San Marco. He said that Saturday and Sunday they were fully booked, so they were definitely quite happy. Nina, sì. So normally, but is hold on. The Venice Carnival is normally a French carnival, if you want. The majority of the people that wear masks, if they're not French, they are Germans. And so those are the two most important nationalities that they keep the entire carnival alive. It's thanks to these guys that we got this beautiful festival actually. Thank you, Anna. Thank you for supporting. Thank you to all of you for watching. Hope that you enjoyed the atmosphere actually. Let's have a look. Oh, look at this. It's on the other side. Interesting. It's probably out of the season. Who is checking who is being naughty or good? Yeah, here we go. Santa Claus is exploring. Here we go. He's just checking. Here we go. Wrong time of the year, actually. But you know, Santa Claus is always working and operating. Oui, oui, tout à fait, Nina, c'est vrai. Mais tout à fait, les Français, c'est grâce à les Français qu'on y a le carnaval. Oui. Oh, les voilà, attends. On y va. Buongiorno. Grazie mille. Merci, merci. Les voilà. Yeah, she just stopped me once that she hear French. Yeah, that is quite funny, Renato, that we got Santa Claus. Santa Claus photobombing. Or I don't know if it was a photobomb or if it was a Photoshop. Either one, actually. It was interesting. Let's have a look. Let me try to see and catch some masks. Oh, let me see. No, this is a group with no masks. Let's have a look at this lovely group right in front of us. Let me zoom in a bit. Hold on. Kind of crowded. Here we go. Look how beautiful. Let me zoom back, that's so we can get a better view. There we go. Let's have a 360 degrees view. The costumes, the masks, they are really incredible, actually. And the other question, actually, about all the people that are normally arriving here, that they see all the paper mache masks, is are you going to wear the masks only once a year, or you're going to wear during the year round? Mainly, I'm talking about the Venetians, of course. I'm talking about locals at this moment. Grazie Paloma, thank you, thank you, thank you. Ça c'est vraiment très joli, ouais, tout à fait. C'est vrai. No, the thing is that a lot of the Venetians, they're normally buying the masks and they stick it into the wall, actually, as a decoration. And that is, yeah, look at the fabrics. Yeah, those are amazing. Let me go around. Sneak around. Sorry, give me a second. Here we go. Here we go. This is a new record, I believe, because we are 1,032 people here. And let's say on the last few years, but especially this year, having a lot of people that they are asking me to take them to see artisans and these kind of things. And so I've been really often inside of Tessitoria Bevilacqua, which is not far from the area of the train station. And that one, the looms, they are 300 years old, and the fabrics are unreal, actually. And so definitely visiting those fabric stores, shops and workshop are really, really, really amazing, actually. And if you especially think about the fabrics that has been used for the catwalks of Dolce & Gabbana, and really soon they're going to be for Gucci, that has been produced here in Venice, actually. And that is really amazing. So let's have a look. Oh, I got some white costumes right here. a second. Let me try to go around. Hold on, hold on. Here we go. See, Renato, over 1,000. We are 1,031. This is pretty incredible, actually. It never happened before. So it's like a Guinness World. So which is really impressive at this moment. We got there fighting for the picture. Here we go. A lovely selfie. But I definitely agree with you. Everybody is with the cameras out. Everybody is with the iPhones out. I mean, the telephone out. 1,050. Thank you. No, thank you for watching. And grazie mille to all of you, actually. I really hope that you are enjoying the atmosphere, the carnival atmospheres that we're having here in Venice, actually. Yeah, this is amazing, actually. Never happened before. Together, actually, this is unreal. Oh, look. Let me give you 60 degrees view of the square. We got the lion that is on the distance, and let's try to chase those lovely costumes that are down that way. Hold on. Oh, it's difficult to keep up with everything, actually, but at least here we got a lot of space. Oh, hold on. You can see they're always so kind that they are slowing down. Oh, let's have a look. Let's try to jump into the next bunch. That I see some nice masks over there. 1,072. Let's see. Gracias, Engel. Gracias, muchas gracias. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, it's a lovely family, actually. Let's have a look at the costumes from the other side, actually. Here we go. Oh, let's have a look at that. I believe that we got the presentation of the Maria. Oh. Let me try to sneak right here. There is that dragon kit again. I missed it. Manga, I just missed it. Sorry. Oh, look at this interesting costume. Cipolle, onions. She's got potato bags. That is nice. Let's get a little bit closer. Here we got some really interesting masks again. Let me zoom back. Here we go. And here we got the presentation of the Maria that are actually, hold on, let me see if I can zoom a bit. Here we go. Hold on. 198, grazie mille, thank you for following us, and thank you for being with us in the heart of the carnival party, actually. Let's have a look. Let's have a look how we can sneak around. There we go. That's the thing, that I'm not that thin, small. For me, it's always difficult to sneak around. If I was half size, it would have been easier. No, from here. Here we go. I believe that I need to go around this side because this way we don't have much. Here we go.
È bellissimo.
Yeah, Brian, I definitely agree with you actually that they definitely did such a small stage, but at least there will be something going on. Costume actually. That is nice, I like it. Oh, let's have a look. Let me zoom back. At least everybody can see. 1094. And let's try to sneak around again. Oh, look at there. Ooh, this is amazing. Oh, look at the hat. Wow. This is something. Let's see where he's going to move. Hold on. Let me get closer. Whoop. Here we go. Yeah, this is definitely really wow. See, Marek, I agree. Here we go. Let me see how close that I can get. Yeah, it's definitely beautiful, crafted, as you can tell. Oh, here we go. Nina, we will be working on it. Slowly, slowly. We need time, actually. So let me sneak around, otherwise I'm pretty much stuck. And I try to go this way. Whoop. And let's have a look how the situation down here is. So, grazie Nina, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, we got a few feathers over there. I don't know if we already hit these guys. Like, it's funny that I'm zigzagging through the crowd, and I'm quite happy and proud of myself that I didn't squeeze or kill anybody. Here we go. Ciao, Killer Queen. Welcome, welcome. Here we go. 1102. This is quite a number, actually. Here we go. Ciao, ciao. Welcome, welcome to the Venice Carnival, to all of you. Benvenuti, benvenuti. And so let's have a look. Ooh. We got a steampunk family, no, couple. Here we go, they are right there. Let me try to zoom in. Look at the details, they are quite amazing. Yeah, thank you to all of you for subscribing into our channel. Grazie, Graziano. buon carnevale anche a te. Ciao. Here we go. But definitely the atmosphere is always unreal and amazing. Oh, let's have a look at this one that they are seated right here by the Caffè Quadri. Here we go, slowly, slowly. And the view is always amazing and incredible. Oh. Yeah, the view. Yeah, definitely when Carnival is arriving is always amazing here in Venice. Even if it is a quiet Carnival, it's always worth a little walk around. So let me see that I try to squeeze this way and we check it out what is happening down here. Let's have a look and let's have a second round in the square. Here we go, some of the Pirate of the Caribbean that we saw it at the real beginning actually. Let me see who T Dent, and so ciao Rose. T Dent that you are asking how much it's a Coca-Cola. Let's say a espresso is around 8 euros and a cappuccino is around 15 euros. This is the kind of prices that we are normally having down here. Oh, here we go, that we got the Marie that they are arriving. Hold on. Here we go. We've been quite lucky that I believe that they are going to stop right here. Hai visto Lorenzo? Facciamo un scambio oggi. Yeah, definitely 15 euros for a cappuccino, and this is the kind of prices that we're normally having. Oh, here we go, some more masks that we're having down in Piazza San Marco. Of course, you are normally paying for the location, you pay for the atmosphere, and you pay for the historical spot, of course. Plus, you pay for the music too, actually. I know that he can be rather expensive, but on the other hand, actually, it's an experience once of a lifetime, actually. Here we go. They must be really cold. The skin is kind of red. See, Claudia, I agree. We got pretty much like Starbucks prices in a way. Ciao, Orlando. Ciao, ciao to all of you. Thank you for following us. That at this moment we are 1,150 only YouTube, and then we need to add it up Facebook, Instagram, and all these things. So today it never happened before actually, and this is quite spectacular. So we are really, really lucky that today we got so many enjoying the carnival with us. And the kids, they are having fun. Oh, that's definitely the festival for the small one. Of course, that is time that they are going to have a little bit of peace of mind. Oh, let me go around the bell tower, and we try to go right to the waterfront. Thank you, Cenotus Blue, grazie mille, thank you, congratulations to all of you. Thank you, it's definitely thank you to all of you actually that we are able to show you the beauty of Venice, the beauty of the carnival. Look how cute they are. Oh, look, they are so nice. We got the wolf and the little red riding hood. Oh, they are so nice. Wow. Hold on. Here we go. Let's have a look. See, GRM, see that those are the kind of prices actually that we are normally having, and so that is a kind of normal actually in these kind of places. It can be either the Caffè Florian or the Caffè Quadri. Let me see, sorry, before that I fell into the steps, but I don't need that. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Let's try to go to the waterfront again. But as I told you, actually early hours is going to be the best time, mainly because there are no crowds and you will be having all these masks standing right by the waterfront. Let's have a look at the waterfront, how the situation is right now. T-Dent, thank you, thank you, thank you. Here we go, in 1990 we found a cafe a bit away from the square. See, the thing is, it depends what you're looking for. Let's say in St. Mark's Square, those are the kind of prices, once that you go a little bit off the beaten. But remember one thing, if you go inside of the Caffè Florian, if you are going in, you stand at the counter, actually the coffee is going to be €1.50, which is the normal price that you normally pay for a coffee in any other bar actually, and that makes sense. I tried to pop into the Caffè Florian in a little bit. Before actually we didn't have many. Or better, we didn't have any kind of masks inside of the Caffè Florian. Everybody was dressed up as normal. Yeah, that's the thing. And so standing at the counter, it can be the Caffè Florian, the Caffè Quadri. At the counter is always €1.50, which is the regular price of the coffee that you pay in Italy. Actually, the cappuccino is going to be €1.50, €2. And that's about the price actually. And then of course once that you sit down the price it will be totally different. But yeah, that's pretty much the idea. Here we go. Classical picture. Here we go, 1,250, which is quite unbelievable actually. This is how many that we are online at the moment. See, Duet Voyage actually, that I definitely agree with you that wearing a mask during carnival time at least is bringing joy. And so that way I don't see, and so here we go, we got a lovely group with classical costumes. On the top of the Bridge of Sights there's not much. Matthias, definitely, I'm a local guide. I'm normally running tours, actually even for one person actually, and so no problems. If you're going to go into description of this tour, you're going to find all the emails, contacts, websites and all these things. And we definitely do tours off the beaten path. We do tours inside of the Doge's Palace, inside of St. Mark Basilica, Murano, Burano, Torcello, and all these areas actually, and we do everything totally tailor-made. It's not cold as you can see, but look, I got my jacket that is totally open actually, and so it's not cold today. At the moment we got anything between 10 and 15 degrees, so it's not crazy cold, so it's just lovely. Let's have a look at Somebody was asking if we can go inside of or walk by the Caffè Florian. Now we try to pop in that way. There we go. So let's have a, oh, we got a big bunch of masks that is right here. Let's have a look. At least we can get a nice group picture. Let's have a look. Oh, here we go. Beep, 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 beep. Thank you, Tuxedo. Thank you to all of you for watching us, supporting us. Thank you, grazie mille. Let me see if I can sneak around. Give me a second. There we go. Ciao Natalie, ciao to all of you. Let me see, I just found your channel, wow, love it, thank you. Is it real? Hayok Seong, yeah, it's all real actually. So we are live, we are in Piazza San Marco, we are in St. Mark's Square in Venice, and this is actually real time. Right now is 5:15 or something like that, actually. 5:15 p.m. Italian time actually. And this is definitely all live, and this is the Carnival festival that is normally going on in St. Mark's Square. Let me see. Oh, we got some masks this way. We try to sneak this way. Oh, look at the feather over there. Whoop. Let's see if we can get part of it. Wow, well, she's got a little St. Mark's Square, or at least a bell tower right on the top of the feathers. Quite impressive actually. Let's have a look at that. I saw some more feathers over there. Second, let's sneak around. Up, without trying to kill everybody. Our pleasure is always our pleasure to stream you in. Yeah, that's the thing actually, you're right. If I would have been dressed up, they would have stopped me every 2 seconds actually. At that point I wouldn't be able to go anywhere. I don't have to dress up with this face actually, is like wearing a mask. I'm ugly enough. So no needs. Are they playing music again in the square? Stevie, at this real moment actually we don't have any kind of music. Even Caffè Florian, Caffè Quadri, actually the band, the orchestra, the quartet is not playing at the moment actually. Let me see. Pop. And so somebody was asking to go into the Caffè Florian. Let's try to sneak in so we can see how the atmosphere look like. Give me a second. Whoop. Step up. Yeah, the illumination is quite pretty and interesting as usual, which is the same one that we're normally using for Eastern. Sorry, for Christmas. Here we go. In a second that I try to look where I'm going. Yeah, as you can tell, it's pretty busy. No, Peter, I'm fine. I always take it in a really easy way. I normally take it extremely easy. Here we go. Oh my God. These lovely ladies that they got these amazing costumes that they are just unreal. Let me see. Always try to sneak in slowly. There's quite a line today to go inside of the Caffè Florian. Look at there. See, Helen, queuing to get in, let's say, is super busy. Today is extremely busy, as you can tell. And so there are no empty seats. I saw the general manager of the Floriana that he was checking everybody in and if they had the reservation or anything similar. Is the Venice Carnival only at this time every year? And do they hold concerts? And so T-Dent, normally actually Carnival is happening 40 days before Easter, that you got Mardi Gras. And Carnival is normally lasting for something like 3 weeks, 4 weeks. It depends on the time of the year. Well, let's say we might have concerts, especially with the COVID restrictions and all these things. We don't have much going on, and this one it's a mild and a quiet atmosphere actually. But normally we got quite a lot of events that are going to be held and they are going to take place right in Piazza San Marco. Today the situation is slightly different, of course. Here we go. But at least you can clearly see that at least we got people. Oh, look at these dresses. Let me zoom in. Here we go. See, Brian, some of the costumes you are able to rent those that you got Atelier Longhi, that is not far from Rialto Bridge, that they got amazing costumes. There's another atelier that is called Nicolao, that is not far from the Jewish ghetto, to give you an idea. And then we got Antonia Sauter, that is just around the corner, and he's the one that she's normally organizing the Ballo del Doge. And definitely some are going to be rented and some actually they can be handmade. But as I was saying before, a lot of the handmade costumes they're normally arriving from France or otherwise Germany actually. Ciao ciao a tutti, buonasera, ciao, benvenuti. Benvenuti a tutti. Oh. Let's have a look this way what is happening. And we got the main stage that is right in front of us. And so we got a lovely red dress that is right in the stage at the moment. On the stage, let's see. Let's get closer. Ciao Porto Alegre, ciao Brazil. Let me see. Oh, it's difficult to sneak around today. Let me zoom in. Let's see how close that we can get. Here we go. Ciao, ciao to all of you. Welcome to the Venice Carnival. Thank you for following. Thank you for supporting our channel. is really much appreciated. I hope that you are having fun, and at least you are getting the Venice Carnival atmosphere actually. Oh, here we go. We got this lovely red dress that is beautiful. Basically, during Carnival time at this stage, I need to be on stilts actually. I definitely agree with you. A ladder would have been pretty practical actually, but on the other hand it would have been a bit too complicated. Sì, Leon Veneto, eccolo qua, sì sì. Having gimbals, telephone, earpieces and all these things is definitely complicated sometimes. Let me see if I can go around that so I can show you the other side. Hold on, let me zoom back. This way you won't be getting too seasick. Give me a second that we got all the masks that they are standing in line for the catwalks right here. Hold on, hold on. Slowly, slowly. Let's have a look. Here we go. We can definitely get really close at this point. Let's slowly step back this way. We're going to check it out, which kind of masks are still around, so we can get a 360 degrees view of the area. Oop, give me a second. Here we go, we got a new bunch right here. Ciao les grades. Coucou, bienvenue, bonjour, bien arrivé à Venise. Oh, et voilà. Yeah, lights are still pretty good actually. That it should be around 5:30ish. It's going to start to get dark from now pretty much until 6 o'clock. And so let's see how the lights they are going to change slowly. And so let's have a look down this way, what is happening and which kind of masks that we are having. Yeah, as you can see, it's definitely continuously that we got masks that they are just coming and going all the time. Let's have a look. So let me see if I can spot some feathers along the way. Oh, here we go. Some feathers on the distance. Yeah, we got a bunch of crowds here and there. It's always our pleasure actually that we are able to show you what is happening live in Venice, but definitely thank you to all of you for following us and enjoying the entire Venice atmosphere. Here we go, that I give you the 360 degrees view of the entire area. At least you can get the full idea. Oh, here we go. Lovely family even with the dog. Let's see. Look how cute they are. We've been pretty lucky actually that the dog is nice actually. It must be it's super furry and super fluffy actually. Thank you Tony, grazie mille. But we've been pretty lucky today that we saw a lot of lovely masks and it's totally unexpected actually. I would have said that we would have not met anybody, but we've been extremely lucky. Here we go. Let me see. Let me see. Let us slowly try to go this way. Opa. Here we go. And we've got some beautiful masks again beside the Maria that they are having the party right there. The girl right there, she's got this amazing costume. Here we go, look how beautiful. Oh, let's have a look. Let me zoom back, maybe. Give me a second, sorry. Here we go. Let's try to have a look at the atmosphere down here. Yeah, as you can see, we got heaps of confetti everywhere. But in Italian, we normally call them coriandoli. Confettis in Italian normally are the sweets that you give to the guests of your weddings, and so they are sweets basically.
Zampette, di qua. Quanti coriandoli. Vai Becca.
Here we go. It's quite a record actually today that we are 1,237. Pretty amazing. Oh, look at this. Hold on. Oh. Here we go. Look at here. And so let's have a look at we try to get a little bit closer to the Maria, so we can get a full idea of what is happening. Well, here we go. This is the girl that we saw it before actually, and the costumes, they are really unreal and amazing. And here we go, the Maria. They are having the party. Let's have a look. Slowly we sneak around. Oh, here we go. We got some more masks. Thank you, Brian. It's just a matter of jumping from one group to the next one, that at least we get a full idea of what is happening actually. We started pretty good, that we had a lot of masks around. Now actually we're having less and less, mainly because the lights they are starting to be a kind of bad, but at least we've been able to see quite a lot of masks until now. Let's have a look closer to the stage. What is happening? Thank you, thank you. Thank you to all of you. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for watching us. And I really hope that you got the Venetian Carnival atmosphere actually. That in these crazy years that not many people are able to travel for many different reasons. At least, yeah, it's like 5:35. See Chastity. Absolutely. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, grazie mille. But at least you get the idea of how the situation look like in Italy at the moment, and that's how Carnival look like at the moment. Hoping to have you all back here next year, actually, so everybody will be able to enjoy Carnival, and hope that we're going to have a bigger stage. So we're going to go definitely back to the normality with all the friends from all over the world joining us for the Carnival parties, the balls, and that's exactly what we need. Here we go. I know only that. Oh, look at this! Nice. Let's have a look. Let me try to sneak in front. They are amazing. There we go. It's always our pleasure. It's always our pleasure. Let's have a look at that. We got some more this way. And we got a lovely family with Snow White. Now we saw some really incredible masks today, so we've been really lucky. Let's see. Let's get closer this way. Ciao, grazie mille a tutti, grazie. Thank you to all of you for supporting, for being with us today. Actually, it has been a pleasure showing you the Venice Carnival. Actually, at least you got a little idea of how Carnival look like at this real moment. Folks, I believe that it's almost time to say bye-bye to all of you, and so I would definitely say grazie mille to all of you for watching. I hope that you enjoy our little live show today in Venezia. Thank you again for supporting us, and I hope to see you here again in the reality. Grazie mille. Enjoy the Carnival from wherever you are, and I hope to see you soon here. Grazie, ciao a tutti. I leave you with the last view of the Carnival in Venice. Ciao! Thank you, folks. Thank you. And see you soon. Arrivederci. Grazie mille. Ciao a tutti.